Please write the word diversity in their notebook. Write the word diversity in their notebook. Next, after seeing the diversity, after seeing the word diversity, writing in your notebook. If you don't have a notebook, write on a piece of paper or in a rough notebook. All the cadet, now you are observing our national anthem. Okay? What is the significance of the national anthem? Already you are knowing it. Next. Translation of national anthem is also there. So your today homework is, I haven't asked any doubt and difficulty to anyone. National anthem Jana Gana Mana, from your childhood up to now you are knowing. So what's the query is here? Please don't interrupt the class. The textbook is with you. You please turn on the page and please see it. Point number 1 here. I request once again the cadet, those who are disturbing the class like this, please be prepare the class. Get it? All of you are observing the downside, chapter number 1, understanding diversity. There you are observing the photograph of 3 cartoonic photos, right? So first I am reading for you. Look around you in the classroom. Do you see anyone who looks like you? So here it's a simple concept. No one looks like you. You are having your individual identity, right? So here everybody is different from each other. So in this chapter, you will learn that the people are different from each other in many ways. The chapter is focusing about understanding diversity. That's why I told you first to write the word diversity in your notebook. If you don't have a notebook, in your textbook only underline the word diversity, because in this whole chapter we are going to understand about the diversity first. Next, here 3 photographs you are observing. For that purpose I am explaining this. Not only do you look different, but they might belong to the different religion, culture, region, area, background or so on. So these differences enrich our lives in many ways and also make them more fun. So as you are all observing the textbook chapter number 1, the first page, and the first page is talking about the understanding diversity. In that you are observing the 3 photographs. So the 3 photograph is talking about the differences between the 3 individuals, the coloring of the 3 different individuals, the thinking is different, the art they made, that is different. So now here all these different people who are coming from the different kinds of background, they belongs to the different kind of religion, culture, help to make India so interesting, so diverse. The word diversity is going to be understood by this. So what diversity add to our lives? How did India become like this? Are all kinds of difference as a part of diversity? Can diversity also be a part of unity? Read this chapter to find some answers. So that's why in this chapter, as I told you, the first hear the word understanding diversity. So understanding diversity, we are with the help of example, number of stories, we are going to understand this chapter. Get it? Please have attention to these three photographs. These three photographs are not similar, right? Is Mihir is present in the meeting? Please unmute yourself. Mihir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mihir. Now please answer me. This photograph number 1, 2 and 3. These photographs are same or different?
Sir, they are different, sir.
Once more.
Sir, they are different.
Very good answer. Okay. Next, as Mihir stated the answer, these are different. So it's simple here. I request all the cadets, they are asking number of the doubts here. This is the civics textbook. Civics textbook. In that, the first chapter is there, understanding diversity. Please open that. In the chat box, you are sending number of the message. First day only, I told the introduction of the 3 textbook. One textbook for geography, one textbook for history, and one textbook for civics. That means social and political life, on that it is written, right? So in that textbook, you are able to read out the 3 textbook and you can easily pick up the civics one, right? Cadets, you are smart enough to open the chapter number 1. Please open it. Now here you are observing one box is there, right? One rectangle is there and that is empty. And that rectangle is empty for you. So because what you are going to do, you are going to use the empty box to draw a human figure. Is your drawing similar to any of the other? Before drawing we can't do this one. So get it? Your today's homework is that this rectangular box is there. In that you have to draw any imaginary person or your own face or any human figure. Just they had drawn here. One girl is there in the blue dress, one boy is there and another girl is here. As the other children had drawn and that photograph is here, you have to draw any human figure here. And after drawing that, you have to observe that whether the human figure whatever you have drawn, no, it's going to be totally different, right? The textbook, in the textbook this box is empty, as you are observing here. In this box you have to draw it. Okay. Next, this is because each one of us a unique drawing style. You all will draw in a different style because you all peoples are having a different and unique drawing skill. Next, we not only look exactly like each other but also differ in the terms of language we speak. Our cultural background, our religious ritual we observe, and of course the way we draw. So all the cadets are requested to draw it, take the photograph and send it to me. And on that photograph your name should be there, right? Then what will happen, I am going to collect all the photograph, and after collecting in the next class I will show in the PPT presentation. And then I will ask to you, see children, your all drawn photographs are similar or different. आपको कोई भी एक ह्यूमन फिगर बनाना है, किसी भी व्यक्ति का फोटोग्राफ हो सकता है, अपनी मदर का, फादर का, ब्रदर का, बेस्ट फ्रेंड का, किसी का भी आप फोटोग्राफ ये बॉक्स में बना सकते हैं। ये चैप्टर का नाम है अंडरस्टैंडिंग डाइवर्सिटी। अंडरस्टैंडिंग डाइवर्सिटी, हम डाइवर्सिटी को समझने वाले हैं, राइट। इंडिया में बहुत सारे कल्चर हैं, बहुत सारी भाषाएं हैं, बहुत सारे अलग अलग एरियाज हैं, हर तरह के लोग होते हैं।
हम कलर भी कर सकते हैं सर।
Yes, beta, you can draw, you can color it, right? No issue in that. Now moving towards the second page. The second page is talking, this chapter is very interesting children. So please have a attentive. We are going to soon understand one very interesting story. हम बहुत ही अच्छी एक कहानी भी इस चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे। अब यहां पर ध्यान दीजिए सभी। Now we are here to fill out the following information about yourself. One blue box you are observing here. That blue box is also your homework. For your information, I am going to read out and I am going to tell about myself because I am your social science teacher and part and parcel of your social science learning. So, when I go out, I like to wear jeans and t-shirt. At home I speak in Hindi. Then my favorite sport is volleyball and football. Then I like reading books about horror stories and adventurous books and comics. So this is my information. So I hope so whatever the information I place in front of you about myself, that is going to be totally different. And it may be possible few are having the similarity as my favorite sport is volleyball and football. So those who are having the volleyball and football, they are going to have a similar to me. So this which you are observing here, you have to write in your notebook and you have to write here. Those who are not having the textbook, जिन बच्चों के पास किताब नहीं है वो ही इसको नोटबुक में लिखकर यहाँ उसके आंसर लिखेंगे। जिनके पास बुक है वो बुक में यही लिखना है। जैसे when I go out I like wearing, so my answer was there jeans pant and t-shirt, right? My favorite sport is volleyball and football. So like the downside one line is there, on that line only you have to write. If you are having a textbook, if you don't have a textbook, what you will do? You will write on a piece of paper, then you will answer your question, right? Next, moving further. So now ask your teacher to help to check out. So after writing this, when you will send to me, I will place in front of you. At that time only I will ask. Then what if I am going to ask to all of you? So that match your exact. As I stated my views here, so my views and your views will be different. So quickly in this live class I will ask to one or two boys or girl. Next, Arjun Singh, please unmute yourself. Arjun Singh, अपने आप को अनम्यूट कीजिए। अर्जुन सिंह मीटिंग में है? ओके। नेक्स्ट बॉय आर्यन सिंह राजवत, अनम्यूट करो अपने आप को। यस। अयान सिंह, अयान और आर्यन, आर यू एबल टू हियर माय वॉइस?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So first question, when I go out I like wearing. What was my answer? Speak louder.
Jeans, pant and shirt.
Okay. I told about jeans pant and shirt or t-shirt. Next, is Bhumi is present? Bhumi, GM 5919. Please unmute yourself, child.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta. Is your my favorite sport is. So what's your favorite sport is?
Basketball and swimming, sir.
Very good. So as you are observing, Dhanraj sir stated about volleyball and football. Bhumi is speaking about the swimming and basketball. Very good, child. Next, Bharti. Is Bharti is present in meeting? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Bharti, please answer. I like reading books about. मुझे कौन सी बुक्स रीड करना पसंद है मैंने बताया. अब आप बताइए आपको कौन सी बुक पढ़ना पसंद है.
I like reading books of stories and SST.
Okay, very good. Now next, one more chance we will give to any other cadet. Right? Next, Mihir. Please unmute yourself, child.
Yes, sir.
Mihir,
Yes,
now you
sir.
please tell. At home, I speak in.
Sir, at home you speak in Hindi, sir.
Okay, but what language you are speaking?
Sir, I speak in Kannada.
Very good. Now, all the cadet had observed as in this live class, I asked to 2-3 cadet quickly. I can't give a chance to each and everybody because our syllabus is limited. When you will come to the class, we will discuss it and we will have more fun and activities on this. So cadets, here you have observed the diversity between Dhanraj, Bhumi, Mihir and other people, right? So as everybody stated different answer. So here we are finding the diversities. But we all are living in one country. We all are present in one class, that the social science class of Sainik School Bijapur. So that's a symbol of a diversity, right? So by now you must have recognized the many ways in which you are quite like some of your classmates and others ways you are different from. So cadet, please have attention here. We are going to understand a very interesting story about making friends, Sameer 1 and Sameer 2. As you are observing in the photograph, one boy is selling a newspaper, one boy is going to the school, right? One auto rickshaw and one red color car. So all the cadet, please observe the photograph. Those who are having the textbook, please observe it. Those who don't have, please see in the slide which I am representing to you. After that, we are going to start the story. First, I will explain you the story. The story of making friends. Here, do you think it would be easy for you to make friends with someone who was very different from you? Read the following story and think about this. First, I mean, it's a joke made up of a small wrecked boy who sold newspaper at the Janpat crossing at busy intersection. Every time I cycle past, he would run after me holding out English newspaper, right? And what he is telling and screaming out evening headline in a mixture Hindi and English word. And this time I stopped by the pavement and asked for the Hindi paper. His mouth fell off. You mean you know Hindi? He asked. Of course, I said, as I paid for the paper. Why? What did you think? He paused, but you look so angry. He said, you mean you know ever read Hindi? Of course I can, I said, this time a little impatient. I can speak, read and write Hindi. This is one of the subject I study in school. So dear cadet, here I am having a small pause to make you understand the story. The story is of Samir 1 and Samir 2. Right? Here, two boys are there. One is going to school and one is selling the newspaper. And the newspaper seller, every time at the Janpat crossing, used to run behind him to sell the newspaper. This time, the boy has taken the newspaper. And he also stated, in my school, Hindi as a subject I am learning. Next, subjects, he asked, how could I explain what a subject was to someone who had never been to school? So the boy who was going to school, he was shocked and he was in puzzle how to explain the boy who is not going to school about the word subjects. Right? यहाँ पर सिंपल सी बात है कि जो बच्चा स्कूल नहीं जाता और एक बच्चा स्कूल जाता है, तो जो बच्चा स्कूल नहीं जाता उसको कैसे समझाया जाए कि सब्जेक्ट कैसा हो और सब्जेक्ट किसको कहते हैं. So well, it is something I begin, but the light changed. As all you are observing, it's a traffic signal. The red light you can observe here. So the light changed and the horning behind me, the crew underfoot, and I let myself to push along the rest of the traffic. So here in the story, the concept is clear to you. The situation is narrated by the writer, the storyteller is clear to you. Now, we are moving for the next day. So next day what happened? सिंपल सा मैं वापस आप सभी बच्चों को समझाता हूँ. यहाँ पर दो बच्चे हैं. दोनों बच्चे सड़क के चौराहे पर मिलते हैं जिसको जनपद थाना कहते हैं. एक बच्चा न्यूज़पेपर बेच रहा है, दूसरा बच्चा साइकिल से स्कूल जा रहा है. जो न्यूज़पेपर बेच रहा है वो उसे न्यूज़पेपर देता है और पूछता है कि भैया क्या आपको हिंदी आती है. वो बोलता है हाँ हिंदी आती है क्योंकि हिंदी मेरा एक सब्जेक्ट है स्कूल में. जैसे आप लोगों में जो क्लास 6 के अंदर होंगे उनका हिंदी संस्कृत सब्जेक्ट होगा. नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड द नेक्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट. द नेक्स्ट डे ही वॉज देयर अगेन, स्माइलिंग एट मी एंड होल्डिंग आउट अ हिंदी पेपर. And the reason why he was holding Hindi paper, because the previous year the boy has purchased a Hindi newspaper. Bhaiya, he said, aapka akhbar. So cadet, please have attention here. Akhbar means the Hindi word for newspaper. In Hindi we call newspaper as akhbar, right? The cadet, those who are busy in the chat box, everything is recorded here. After the class I will see all the recording, and next class onward I will not allow that cadet to my class. So please stop all this thing and focus to the study. I am speaking only for you because my children's study should not be disturbed. No need to chat in the chat box. Quickly stop it. The next, oh, is just something to study, I said. And then because the red light had come on, I asked him, have you ever been to school? The boy who was going to school, he asked to the newspaper seller, have you ever been to school? He replied, never, and he added proudly, I began working when I was so high. I measured myself, that means the boy, against my cycle seat. First my mother used to come with me, but I can do it all alone. Where is your mother now? I asked, but then the light changed. I was off. I heard him yell from somewhere behind me. She is in Meerut. Meerut is one of the places in North India. The rest were drawn out. My name is Samir, he said, and the next day, and a very shy, he asked, what's your? It was incredible, my bicycle phone. My name is Samir too, I said. So here the interesting concept, cadet. Both the child, their names are Samir. right? It's another name of Hanuman's father. You know, so now you are Samir Ek and I am Samir Do. Right? Both the children are having the friendship because we are talking the concept of making friends. How the two child they are meeting on the traffic signal. One is selling the newspaper, one is going to the school. With the selling and purchasing of the newspaper, how they connected with each other. Their background is different, their language is different, everything is different. But here the common thing we are having the good smile which makes them the friendship. Now the another good thing, both the names are same, Samir. So they place Samir Ek and Samir Do. Right? Next, moving further in the story, we will see the more points. Right? So here, just like the word Haath Milao Samir Do, I answered and then I held out my hand. Haath Milao Samir Do. Right? So both are shaking hands and now they are friends. Now moving further in the story, at the top here, the next day, he did not have his usual smile on his face. That means something has troubling to him. And what was that? There is a trouble in Meerut. He said many people were killed in the Roy. That means कोई दंगा फसाद झगड़ा या कुछ हुआ होगा उसकी वजह से वो अपसेट था मेरठ एंड बिकॉज उसकी जो मदर थी वो मेरठ में ही थी राइट सो आई लुक्ड एट द हेडलाइंस एंड द कमेंट राइट एंड इट्स ब्लचल बट समीर आई बिगेन आई एम मुस्लिम समीर he said in answer. So dear cadet, please have attention here. The concept slowly we are understanding. One was going to school, one was not going to school, one was doing education, another was selling the newspaper, right? So this story is telling you the friendship of the two friends, Samir Ek and Samir Do. How both are different from each other, but there is nothing to stop them to have a friendship or to make the friends. The story is making friends. So here we are talking about the Samirs. And all my people are in Meerut. His eyes were filled with tears. When I touched his shoulder, he would not look up. Because at the time he was crying, because he was too upset, because whatever the communist happened in Meerut. He was not at the crossing the next day after, neither the day after nor ever again. And no newspaper in English or in Hindi can tell me where my Samir Do has gone. So the narrate this story here. And here you are observing that the Samir Do is not there. So dear cadet, please have attention. Name 3 ways in which Samir Ek and Samir Do were different. So the blue box is talking about to think you and to find out the difference between Samir Ek and Samir Do. Samir Ek and Samir Do, both the word are in Hindi, that means Samir 1 and Samir 2. Right? Ek means 1 and Do means 2. It's not Samir Do, it's Samir Do. Do means 2. Did this difference prevent them from being friends? Now I am asking a question to anyone of you. Right? So here, is Nidhi is present in the meeting?
Yes, sir.
Very good, child. Now can you tell me, out of the 2 boys, who was belonging to Muslim religion? Samir Ek or Samir Do?
Sir, Samir Ek.
I request you once again to please think on that.
Sorry, sir, Samir Do.
Very good. Samir Do, he belongs to Muslim religion. Right? Next, moving ahead, Very good, child. Please keep it up and be active like this only. I am so happy that all the cadets of the 6th standard, they are very active. They are sending their homework. They are very active. Please keep the josh high in my class ever like this only. Now next, the last paragraph, let me explain, then we will have a conclusion. Please keep quiet, cadet. While Samir Ek is more familiar with English, Samir though speaks Hindi, although they both are more at home in different language. They still communicate with each other. They made the effort to do so because this was what important to them. So Samir Ek and Samir Do, also belonging from the different religion and culture background. Samir Ek is Hindu and Samir Do is Muslim. I hope so the concept is clear which I asked to Nidhi. Samir Ek was Hindu and Samir Do was belonging to Muslim religion. Different religion, different culture background, such as these are the aspects of diversity. Dear cadet, today in the chapter of understanding diversity, we are on the point to discuss about the diversity. As we had seen in the story of Samir Ek and Samir Do, the story speaks about the difference in the religion, difference in their languages, different in their behavior, different in their background, as their economic status are high and low. One was selling the newspaper, one was going to the school. So in this story you had observed about the diversities. So these are the aspects of diversities. So I request all the cadets to please do the 3 homework. What are the 3 homework? First homework is that you have to draw a human figure, right, in the rectangular box. Those who are not having the textbook, on a piece of paper make one rectangle and after that draw the photograph and keep it with you. When you are going to have your textbook, at that time cut that photograph and paste in that. Those who are having the notebook, you can draw in the notebook. After that, the second homework was that fill out the following information about yourself. About yourself, whatever the information is there, you please fill out and you can send it to me so I can collect it. We are all together of 6th A, 6th B, 6th C. 102 cadets are there, right? जिन बच्चों को इंटरेस्ट है कि वो सर के साथ शेयर करना चाहते हैं वो भेज सकते हैं, सबको कंपलसरी नहीं है, राइट? देन नेक्स्ट you have to read out this story and after that one more blue box is there. In that, name 3 ways in which you are finding that the Samir Ek and Samir Do were different. And after that, did these difference prevent them from being friends? So your answer should be there. Now at the last, if any doubt is there, you can ask, but you have to raise up your hand.